application called All-in-One Create Order from Point of Sale will allow you to create orders directly from point of sale. It will allow you to create sales order, purchase order, manufacturing order, and also allow you to create expenses, everything directly from point of sale. So let's see how this works. Let's go to point of sale first. We'll go to configurations and settings. Under configurations, the first setting we have is for purchase orders. So here you can see you can choose the state. Do you want to create the order directly from point of sale in the form of RFQ, RFQ sent to approve a purchase order or logged? You can pick any one from the options over here, and then you have the option to create the sales order. So you can enable this as well. And then you have the option to add the expenses. Let's see how that works as well. So once you have created the purchase order and create the sales order settings are enabled, you can save that. Once it's saved, let's go to the product. So under product, you might have one of the product, let's say hotel accommodation. So you have to enable this option, that is that it can be expensed. So if you enable this, you also have to make sure that it is available in POS, because we are going to create the expense directly from point of sale. So make those settings done. And once that is done, we will make the settings for manufacturing. So let's say this is also one of the product that gets manufactured. And if I go to that product under sales, I have the option to create MRP order directly from point of sale. If you want to get the MRP order, the manufacturing order, in the done state automatically as soon as you create the order from point of sale, you can enable this. If you just want to create the MRP, you can enable only this. So let's say I only enable this particular option of creating the manufacturing order, and I save this. Once all the settings are done, you also have to make sure that inventory has the manufacturing rule enabled. So once all the settings are done, let's go to our point of sale and continue selling. I will select the cashier. And here you can see we have a few options. We have create sales order, create purchase order, and HR expense. So let me first add a few products. So let's say I've added these two products. I will create the sales order. And here I have the option to either have the dropped state or the confirmed state. Let's say I want the confirmed state, and I can create this, but it will not allow me to because I didn't select the customer. So let's close this and select the customer first and create the sales order in the confirmed state and create. So here you can see the sales order is created. That is sales order number 28. Now let me again add a few products for purchase order and see how that works. Okay, so I've added a few products here, and I will create a purchase order, but before that I will add the customer as well, and I will create the purchase order directly from here. So you can see the 15 number purchase order has been created. Now let's see how we can do for expenses. So this is one of the hotel accommodation expense that I want to create. I will add that, and I will create an HR expense by clicking on this button. Here you have the option to add the product. You can also add the description, client meeting, quantities 1, and I'll okay this. So order has been created. Now similarly, let's see how it works for manufacturing. So this is one of the product that for which we configured the settings. So I will remove this, and I will add the customer, and I will proceed. And now, once everything is done, let's go back to the backend. Now that we are here, let's go to our sales first and check the order that we just created. So here you can see this is the order that we created for Anita, and if I go to other information, I'll be able to see the details as well, other information details, and the session details will be visible here, and it says that it is created from POS. So you can see the sales order directly from there. If I go to purchase, I will go to purchase orders, and this is the purchase order that we just created. You can see the source document here. Here is the source document. Here are the products. Similarly, let's go to expense now, and here we have the client meeting expense that we created. And if I go to manufacturing, I'll be having the manufacturing for desk combination as well. You can see the point of sale details here. You can see the source, it's from the point of sale order. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below and we'll get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.